Hi, welcome back to Motor Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and what a way to start off 2024 with a stunning M240i. So, stunning Thunder Night metallic purple. If you're a watcher of the channel or followed us a little while, we did have one of these about a year ago, in fact a year and a half ago. Absolute stunning car, massive fan of the 240i, it's really underrated, real contender. It should have actually been called an M2, I don't know, but it is a stunning car out the box. But we've made it a bit better. This car is currently sitting on the Eibach springs. As you can see, it sits perfect. BMW M Performance genuine carbon kit, looks perfect. Yet again, the weave is absolutely stunning on this. Black badge pack, Remus exhaust with carbon tailpipes, and Porsche Neodyme Gold M-W3s with a 275 section rear tyre and a 235/35 front Pilot 4S tyres. Absolutely stunning. Fitment is perfect. Dish on the rear gives that nice sort of concave look, gives the car a bit of aggression, a bit more attitude. And of course, we've ceramic coated the wheels as well in C5 wheel armour. Being quite an intricate wheel, you want to basically get these coated very quickly because they're a bit of a pain to keep clean. And of course, you really want them to look clean, especially being this finish as well. It's got to really sort of pop. So, a bit of a miserable day. We are going to get it outside for a few revs of the exhaust, sound clips, and some drive-bys, some B-rolls, that sort of stuff. But let us know what you think of Thunder Night Metallic Purple with the Porsche Gold wheels. Thanks a lot.